Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Mathematics. Today we have this question. We know that the product a times b equal to 10, bc equal to 11, and ac equal to 12. We need to solve this question for a plus b plus c. So if you have your solution, your answer, if you want to start your math process in your brain, you can easily solve this question with me right now, because this is not the easy question, but if you're interested, if you want to test your school knowledge, you can also solve this question with me right now. So we need to solve it for a plus b and plus c. Okay, so right now let's start. This equation, I want to call this the first equation. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So as a first step, I want to start it, for example, right here on the left side. So let's do it. In the first step, I want to multiply first equation. Okay, let's do it. First equation by the second one, and I want to divide it by the third equation. So let's see. Let's see, what do we have? First equation, AB times the first one, so left side, I'm going to multiply by BC, by BC, and all over AC. All over AC. As a result, this is equal to, we're talking about constant, so AB equal to 10, so we have 10 times BC times 11, and divided by AC by 12. But on the left side, we can easily cancel this A and this A, this C and this C. So as a result, we have B square. So on the left side, sorry, this is our B square. So as a result, we have from here that our B square is equal to, what do we get right here? We have 110 over 12, or we can cancel it by 2, so 55 over 6. So b square equal to 55 over 6. And I want to underline it because this is extremely important expression for us. So right now let's go to the next step. Let's use like different combinations. First of all, let's consider, for example, first equation by the third one, and we divide it by the second one. Let's use this combination. What do we get from here? So first equation, first side AB, first AB, times third one AC, and we divide it by the second one, by BC. As a result, on the left side, in terms of constant, what do we have? AB equal to 10 times AC equal to 12, and all over we have 11. As a result, what do we get from here? B, we can cancel it. We can cancel this B, we can cancel C. So as a result, we have from here we have only A times A equal to A square. So we have A square equal to, what do we get right here? 120 over 11. So we can't simplify it. So 120 over 11. And I want to underline it because this is also extremely important expression. And our last combination, we need to, from here, according to this logic, we need to solve it for c squared. But let's find out what is the best combination. So we didn't use like second equation times the third one, and we divided by the first one. Okay. So what do we have as a result? Second one, we have BC, so BC times AC, and we divide it by AB, by the first one, by AB. So from here we have a BC times AC, so BC 11 times AC times 12, and we divide it by 10. From here we can easily cancel our 12 and 10. As a result, we have 5, and right here we have 6. In terms of constant, we can cancel A, we're gonna cancel B, so as a result we have C square. C square equal to 66 over 5. These are three coefficients, a square, b square, and c square. We know the products a times b, b times c, and a times c, and we need to solve it for a plus b plus c. So right now I want to show you one really important identity. This is our school identity. I really hope you understand it. This identity is extremely helpful. So a plus b and plus c square equal to a square plus b square and plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc and plus AC. And right now let's look closely what do we know from here, because this expression we need to solve. We need to find it. A plus b plus c. A square we know, b square we also know, and c square we have right here. What about the product AB, BC, AC? We know it from here, from the beginning, so we know everything. And our last step is like basic algebra things. Yeah, so we have A plus B plus c to the second power equal to a squared, 120 over 11. 120 over 11. What about b squared? 55 over 6 plus 55 over 6 plus c squared, 66 over 5. 66 over 5. What about these products? So we have plus 2 times. We have AB plus BC plus AC. AB equal to, so 10, 11, 12. So we have 10 plus 11 and plus 12. So right now let's simplify this a little bit. Let's do it. So we have a plus b plus c to the second power equal to, right now we're going to add it, but before this we just rewrite it. So 120 over 11 plus 55 over 6 and plus 66 over 5. What about this one? So what do we have right here? We have 2 times 10 plus 11, we have 21. 21 times 21 plus 12, we have 33. So 2 times 33, we have 66. So plus 66. So right now let's solve it with the basic method, because we have a lot of different things. So we need to solve it for the common denominator. So a plus b plus c to the second power, and let's solve it for the common denominator. So we have a long line right here. So the common denominator is like 30 times 11, we have 330. This is the fastest way to solve it. So right now right here we have 330 divided by 11, we have 30. So 120 times 30. The next about this 55. So 55, if we divide 330 by 6, we have 55. So plus 55 square. And right here we have a symmetrical thing. So plus 66 square, and plus right here 66 times 300 and 330. Okay, so right now let's simplify it. We have a complicated expression, but let's do it. In math we need to solve everything. We need to evaluate everything. We need to add everything. So equal to a long line right here. So the same 330. So 120 times 30, we have 3,600 plus 55 square, we have 3,025 plus 66 square, we have 4,356, and plus right here if we multiply it, so my pen, yeah, so we have 21,780. This is our last product. So right now let's add everything. As a result, from here our a plus b and plus c to the second power equal to, if we add it, we have 32,761 over 330. So right now we can easily simplify this real quick, because we can write it as square root of. So as a result, our expression that we need to find, so a plus b plus c, so expression that we need to find, we need to put square root right here. So as a result, we have 32,761 over 330. And as a result, right here, we can easily express this 32,761 as 11 times 2,971 over 330. We can write as 30 times 11. So as a result, we can easily cancel our 11, and our final answer, we have square root of 2,971 over 30. So this is our answer. This is our thumb, a plus b and plus c. So let's write it. Our final answer to this question. So the thumb a plus b and plus c equal to square root of 2,971 over 30. Or maybe you're interested in approximately answer. We have 6.4046. And this is my solution to this question. So I really hope you understand it. I really hope you understand this method, because maybe this constant rate here is not that below the 100. So this is like 1,000. So it doesn't matter. We solve it. So the main thing, I really hope you understand the method. How can we solve it? Yeah, we have a product, and maybe the key moment is this formula, which helps us to simplify it, to solve this question quickly and without any problems. So I really hope you understand this solution. I really hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of questions on my YouTube channel, a lot of different Olympiad question, entrance examination question, and the main thing, I'm really happy about it that we have a great community, a lot of teachers, a lot of students here. We have different discussions, different arguments on different topics. It's also really great, and I'm really happy that we have this type of community here, and it's extremely important nowadays. So I'm really happy, and this is my main goal, to make math clear and understandable for everyone. It's extremely great that you're here and we are learning math. I'm really happy about it. So thank you everyone for your time. Take care of yourself. Have a great day, and see you in the next videos.